Hi, I'm Jen, and I want to show you something that changes how meeting intelligence works. First, let me explain what you're about to see. Zoom has something called Surface apps. These are applications that run directly inside the Zoom client during a meeting. Not a bot that joins your call, not a browser tab you switch to. The app lives right there in your Zoom client, in the meeting sidebar with real-time access to the conversation as it happens. The technology behind this is RTMS, Realtime Media Streams. It's Zoom's API that gives developers access to live transcripts as people speak, with less than 1 second of latency. Words will appear in your app almost the moment they're said. What we built is called Arlo. It's a reference implementation. So this is a working example that shows what's possible when you combine Surface apps with real-time transcription data and AI. The AI isn't waiting until the meeting ends. It's analyzing the conversation as it unfolds, surfacing action items, flagging important moments, generating documentation in real time. For developers, this opens up use cases that post-meeting transcriptions simply can't address. I'm going to show you how this works in a real meeting. You'll see the transcript appear live, you'll watch AI features respond in real time, and you'll see how everything connects to stored context from previous conversations. Let's jump in. Not every meeting fits a specialized vertical. Sometimes you just need great notes. What if the app captured decisions, tracked action items, and generated a summary, all while you're focused on the conversation? We'll check out the meeting summary after the conversation happens. I'm in a product planning sync. The app is capturing everything, but it's also organizing it. Decisions in one place, open questions in another, key moments flagged automatically. Now let's head over to the transcript feature where you can see the transcript populating in real time. All right, let's get the engineering update. Where are we at on the mobile release?
We're on track for April 15th beta. The authentication work finished yesterday and payments integration is about 80% complete.
Great. Are there any blockers that we should know about?
One thing, the Stripe sandbox has been unreliable. If that continues, we might need to push payments to a follow-up release.
Okay, let's make a decision. If Stripe isn't stable by Friday, we launch with Apple Pay and only add Stripe in the May update.
Works for me. I'll flag it if we need to go that route.
Perfect. Can you send the updated timeline to the team by end of day?
Will do.
Okay, so now if we head over to Arlo Assist, we should see a meeting summary generated. And this can happen during the meeting as well. It doesn't need to wait till the end of the meeting. Everything that was discussed is captured here. Key moments are tracked and highlighted. Decisions are tracked. Any questions that came up? Do we have a backup plan if the payment gateway sandbox issues continue? This can be checked off once the question is answered, and it's now in the answered section. We have bookmarks and highlights of key moments. And we have a participation percentage panel. That's the power of RTMS, real-time transcript data delivered as the conversation happens, not hours later. What you do with that data is completely up to you. You could build AI features inside a Surface app like Arlo. You could pipe transcripts into your own backend systems. You could train models on meeting patterns. You could automate documentation. You could trigger workflows, replace meeting bots entirely. The data is yours the moment it's spoken. Arlo is open source. It's not an actual product. It's a reference implementation of RTMS showing what's possible. The code is available to you, and any developer who wants to build their own meeting intelligence application can hopefully use Arlo as inspiration. We have demos for other verticals as well: healthcare, sales, support, legal, and general note-taking. Links to those are in the description below. Whatever your use case, RTMS gives you real-time foundation. Thanks for watching.